you take that from my brother too? Send
That's
him
like
to me.
a, almost like a bunny.
So wait, what would it be roughly, like 49 or 52 or? Really? Wow. Huh.
But it's a common model. A lot of them over there.
Yeah.
Like that was the golden era. Once it got to the early 30s, mid 30s, even though the bikes were changing, becoming bigger tanks, you know, with throttle, quality was downhill because of the American Depression.
I got you.
Nickel plating and stuff that you replace bikes.
Yeah, I get a good friend out in California that's got a similar setup with the reverse. Is that the brakes actually, or? These ones here, or?
Brake, throttle, air, spark, compression, clutch. Pumping oil every 10 miles or so, 5 miles if you're going uphill.
I gotcha.
It's a lot to keep track of if you're trying to ride it.
Yeah, I can imagine. It's not like tuning a carburetor and leaving it.
This is the toughest thing, really, I find, the throttle like that. But, you know, once you know how to ride it.
Wow.
Pretty amazing.
What's your name, sir?
Jason.
Jason? Yeah, Roger. I appreciate the information. That's incredible, man. I would have never really fully fathomed that.
Yeah, the engineering back then was pretty amazing.
Yeah. Well, I'll definitely give you guys a thumbs up, man. Hopefully something happens. Yeah. Six-liter V12, Aston Martin. British Motorcar Festival, Rolls Royce. Comes with their standard fire extinguisher. Right side driver. There we go. $154 is my vote. Give it to the guy at the bike, huh? Rally Cape Cod.
Good morning again, everyone. I'd just like to take a moment to point out the people out there in the yellow vests that have been doing our parking all day. We have had about 40 day of show registrations. Makes it very difficult for these people. They've done a tremendous job. If anybody was not able to get into that class, we apologize. If you see one of these folks out there, I see John Biagioni walking along with his yellow vest on, stop for a second and say thank you. They've done a great job this morning. Thank you, guys.
Like I said, it takes a lot of people to do this, and they're very dedicated to making sure it's a great success. So I have some answers. Some people have been coming here to ask me some questions. By the way, ladies with the hats, the person is out there taking pictures. So make sure you're accessible for photographs. So you want to be ready to be seen in your hat.
Yeah.
Man award. So
It's
remember I said I
154.
I want to make sure I give you the wrong information. So first of all, those of you that gentlemen were here, they asked me, where does the Uncommon Man vote go? That there is a booth over here at so you want to go there and hand it to someone. Make sure they know that you give them so that make sure they have your award. Just leave it somewhere. Make sure someone takes it from you. So what is the Uncommon Man Award? It is someone that did all their own work on the car. So if you did it all yourself, then you are an uncommon man, person, human. So I want to talk about some of our routes. I went down to talk to some people, so I want you to know that
Well, could go on and on, guys, but I ended here for you. Maybe look at one or two more of these real quick. A couple of hoopties in the back we might check out. Some nice exhaust. I've never seen that one already, but it's pretty nice. Check this wannabe Woody out over there. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that. What do we got here anyway? 1968 Morris Minor Traveler. Yeah, he's got a right-handed driver. Surfboard there. Right. There we go. That's bad English. Prefect, for prefect. intersection. Oh yeah, there you go. Glass divider.